For that person who's impossible to shop for?
Why not buy them a piece of land in Scotland?
Okay. Lord Stephen Rossiter joins us with details on Highlands titles. Good morning, Lord.
Very good morning to you both.
Good morning. Did I address you properly? Is it good morning, my Lord, or is it just Lord?
Just Lord.
Okay.
Lord Stephen is fine. Well, Stephen is really enough.
People at home can't tell, but you're wearing a kilt, and I love that
I am wearing
you're
a kilt,
authentic.
yes.
Very much so. So we've been looking at this all morning long.
Right.
And we're trying to figure out exactly what this means.
Let me tell you what it's all about. Okay, Highland Titles is a conservation company. It owns 250 acres of land in the Highlands of Scotland near Glencoe. And to conserve that land and to make it into the nature reserve that it now is, we needed the money. We needed the money to replant the trees, to build the paths, to make it habitable for the wildlife, and to allow visitors to go and see it and to enjoy it. And rather than go to the government and the council and say, can we have some money to do this, please? The company came up with the idea of selling 1 square foot, because in Scotland, land under a certain size doesn't have to be registered, but you can still sell it.
Oh.
So we can sell, quite legally, 1 square foot of land, a little bit like you go out and buy a television or buy a sofa. Yeah?
Okay, so when you're selling
for $50, you buy 1 square foot of land in Scotland.
That seems very affordable. And so do we officially own
So you
this
officially
land?
own this land. Yeah, we look after it and care for it for you. There's no taxes further to pay. It's just the 1 square foot of land that you own. And
Can I flip it?
Can you what? Sorry?
Flip it?
Flip it?
Oh, sure.
Resell it.
Can you resell it? No.
It cannot be done. So actually, you know, by real estate prices, $50 for a square foot of anything is pretty good.
It is very good value for money. And what you get is you get, here we are, this is...
Oh, look at this. We have
this is Lord
official...
Ken.
That's me.
So you get in a nice document pack, you get your official certificate to say that you own the land.
Everything with the, see the gold little seal
Fancy.
there on the bottom?
Fancy.
It's really
We've got one here for Lady Marianne.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
So
That's suitable for framing.
And very much there for Lord Mark.
Mark, why don't you go stand to give the people at home an idea of how big this plot of land is?
That's great.
Mark has
They're going to take my
outlined...
land and they're going to keep on it?
Mark has outlined on our stage 1 square foot of land.
Freedom!
There it is! But you know, this is, Stephen, really the gift for people who have everything.
Well, exactly. I mean, it's great, and it's meant to be taken in exactly this way. You know, it's a bit of fun, but we have thousands of visitors coming to the nature reserve every year to find their plot, and we have an app that will take you straight to it, and we also have local volunteers on the land who will take you there as well.
It's so cool. It is really cool and unique.
It is. It's a courtesy title. I've managed to change my credit card and my bank details to say Lord Stephen.
Well.
And then you get a little when you check in at airlines.
Hey, get it back in your land.
He's doing the Highland link now.
So are the three of us, are we right?
You're all next door to each other.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I could buy them out and have 3 square feet.
You could. You'd have to negotiate hard, I reckon.
Oh, mine's going to go for a pretty penny.
Oh, really? Is that right? How do you feel?
Some bacon, some mash.
Don't sit down. There's not room for you to sit.
Yeah, you can't sit on the
bit of a sticky wicket.
You can squat, though. It is a bit of a sticky wicket. Wrong country, though.
You can break it.
So we've got your website linked to ours. People can do this.
Yes, highlandtitles.com.
If we do it now, can we get it for Christmas?
Absolutely. You can get it in time for Christmas. And in fact, if you use the discount code Happy Holidays in the discount box, there's a 20% discount.
Let me make a note. That's $10. That's $10.
That's not bad.
Happy Holidays.
Happy Holidays is the discount.
I'm going to write that down.
Thank you, Lord Stephen.
Write that down.
That's a pleasure. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you very much. Please don't be insulted by his horrible accent. Yes, would you? That would be great. Would you? I didn't say you could get out of that box.
Look at that.
I didn't say you could get out of there.
Go back home. I'm on vacation. Nice to see you. Thank you.
Thanks very much. Thank you.
So,
Awesome.
got some infotainment?
Exactly. That is the second most exciting thing I'm going to talk to you about today. The most exciting thing? Some breaking entertainment news. You ready?
Yes.
I learned exclusively from StarWars.com where and when you can catch the trailer for the new Star Wars movie, The Force Awakens. It can be seen in 30 theaters across